Oh my gosh, how are we gonna get in our tent? They're everywhere. Oh my gosh, it's a whole family. Oh, we gotta get out of here! I got the willies. Get in! Are you guys having fun?
Yes!
I knew it. Fawn's ribbing me right now, saying I should have driven it.
This is totally drivable.
I know.
Four-wheel drive.
She is
Totally
drivable. Rock shaming you.
Instead, we're hiking it.
Four-wheel drive shaming you.
We're hiking an extra mile.
Fawn's a snob with her four-wheel drive. She's an off-road snob.
No, you just need to have a little more confidence, Stacy. You totally could.
You know what? I love my Jeep a lot.
I love my Bronco a lot.
I think I love my Jeep more than you love your Bronco. We're at the trailhead now.
Finally, after hiking.
Hey, easy.
It was
Point-
an easy
0.83 miles that we could have driven.
Wow, I didn't know how to put So we're slip sliding our way down to West Clear Creek. I'm gonna say poles are very useful. I don't think we're regretting bringing them. Anybody regret their poles?
Heck no. Yeah.
We found a creepy tent that Fawn wanted to check out.
Nobody's inside of it, right? It's a brand new tent.
What?
And a blanket.
The tent hasn't even been set up.
Did anybody forget breakfast? Because there's some. Here.
What is
What,
it?
is it biscuits and gravy? Because if so, I'm taking it.
I'm going to bet it's eggs.
It was breakfast skillet.
Nobody wants
Breakfast
the eggs.
skillet.
Oh, breakfast skillet's good.
Toilet
Oh, there's
paper?
some toilet paper.
You guys need toilet paper?
Oh my gosh. This is clearly marked off
Yeah, we walked over that thinking we were smarter.
than the marks.
We're not smarter.
Well, we hope we're not. Because if this way is worse, then we're in trouble.
It does look kind of sketchy. We're just over 2 miles in, and our feet are still dry. 2 miles total from the trailhead. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Till her feet stay dry. So much fun on this section. Are you guys having fun?
Yes!
I knew it. We are currently walking on a lot of boulders going under tree trunks, climbing over log jams. It's kind of slow going right now. So we looked at the map and we decided we have about half of a mile left. And up until this point, we haven't even gotten our feet wet. So we're debating where to camp because we don't know if we want to swim with our big packs or not. Come on, the water's fine. It feels great. Look at these spiders. That's the stuff of nightmares right there. What's happening?
I'm slowly deflating.
It was a really hard decision, but we decided to drop our packs at the first swimmer, go to the falls, and then go back to our packs tonight. So just hoping we made a good call. We don't want to get wet tomorrow. There's always the chance there's going to be a really awesome campsite we're going to miss out on. Holy crap, there it is! No joke! No joke, there it is! Juan's having a selfie fest up there. Oh, Kristen's having a selfie fest too. Try to flip down the rapids here. Oh my gosh! Oh no! Ah! Ow! Whoa! Oh, come on!
Oh no, it's gonna flip me!
Kristen's got to fill up her tube for every float. Juan just told me I have caterpillars all over me. No way. Are you serious, Juan? So, word to the wise. Check your clothes before you put them back on. We're on our last swim through the Narrows. Are these narrows? They're narrows. I mean, they're narrowish. And then we're gonna go get some dinner, find our campsite, and get dry. Yay. All right, we've hit land. We've got back to our backpacks. Now we can dry off. And that tube is a goner. This is our resident Girl Scout. She knows how to do all things outdoors. tampon? Come on. Come on.
It's not gonna happen because you're watching.
You're disappointing me right now. I just told them you're our resident Girl Scout.
Sometimes it takes a bit.
Come on. That's what we got. What?
You didn't get it on video.
I know.
Ugh.
I got bored.
Sometimes it takes 5 minutes.
Hey, check it out. We've got fire. Oh my gosh, how are we gonna get in our tent?
That's not even, they scattered. Oh, look.
They're everywhere. They're everywhere.
Oh
My gosh, it's a whole family. I don't know.
What are they doing there? What are
Oh my
they
gosh,
doing?
what are they doing? Get off of each other.
They're having a moment. They are not laying eggs in my tent.
Oh, no, this is the worst thing ever.
Oh.
Oh, we gotta get out of here. I got the willies.
Two of us will hit the tent with our poles, shake it, they'll scurry, we'll go in. Go in.
Is that good, Fawn?
We could try.
Because how else are we gonna do this? Because they're everywhere.
I mean,
we got it.
They literally
No,
are.
if we
the
open,
door and
they'll
then
come.
go in.
They'll drop in. They will drop in, and I am not fast. I am not fast getting in. I'm gonna have to dive in there.
Oh.
Yeah, and you think
My-
we're gonna walk
Oh.
in there? Yeah. We
My
gotta go with my plan.
gosh.
And this is why. This is why.
This is terrifying. This is the worst night of my life.
This is really bad. No, the worst is if they get inside.
You're right. You're right.
Okay, Kristen, get ready so you can get it. Hurry.
Oh my gosh, this is so much pressure. Wait,
Okay.
wait. You keep shaking. And ow.
Okay, ready?
Oh, they're down here. They're down here. They're
Yep,
down
keep going,
here.
keep going.
Oh my god, I'm so
Okay,
scared.
get in quick. Get in quick. Get in quick. Get in.
Hey, we could have gone the easy way and been over there. All right, we're packing up, getting ready to go. Getting ready for the climb.
Potty break.
Fawn is hauling out the tent. Hope it's a good one. Hope it's worth it. We're having a steep, sweaty climb out of there. I'm wondering if Fawn's regretting picking up that tent yet. She's back there somewhere. Fawn! Okay. It never ends. Oh my gosh. Still kind of going up. You know what? I think they made the trail longer while we were gone. Yeah, we're still going. I'm sorry to say, we are still going. Fawn, I don't know how far back she is, carrying that stupid tent. Yeah.
Yeah, look, there's shade. A tree.
Oh,
There's shade that we
hallelujah.
can eat.
We actually did it.
Here
she comes.
We still have an FN .9 to go.
I knew she was gonna say that.
I was gonna say, they better be down there getting the car and driving it back up here to pick me up. The fetch.
Look who I found. No way.
Justin Way.
Oh my gosh.
No kidding.
This is the bag you get when you work out. Stacy Swole. Oh, and the balance, unbelievable. Unstoppable. Woo!
Fawn, you're so savage. I can't believe you did that. You daddy long leg killer.
Can you tell I'm a really good kisser?
What's happening?
What's happening is I've looked crazy this whole, and now I'm stuck.
What's wrong with hiking with it open like that?
Yeah, it looks crazy.
I mean, no, it's just airy.
Unzip the other one. Make
Yeah,
them match.
just make it even.